Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. We got my mother in here. Say hi to YouTube, mommy.
Hi.
We got all the colors. We're in the car wash right now. We got all those colors on the windows. Oh, it is about to get dry. Here comes the water.
No.
Here we go. Here comes the soap. Soap. We got the soap. Look at that soap. Oh no, we're getting sucked in. It's a black hole. It's a black hole. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my. Whoa. 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 Our car is about to explode. This is cool. We getting the best quality over here. Oh, it's going to explode. It's going to explode. Whoa. This is so cool, guys. This is one of the most amazing experiences that I've ever been in. Look at all that. Look at this. Look at this, guys. All that. Is that soap? Yeah, that's soap. Look at all that soap. That's so cool. What, mommy? That's wax? Whoa, look at all of... Look at the back, guys. Our car's exploding. Whoa, this is so cool. This is amazing. Oh my god, it's like a whole ocean. Whoa. Look at this guy. Oh my god, the water now. Looks like the water's colorful. Oh my god. That's so cool. It looks like it's tie-dye. Oh, we might have more soap coming. Never mind, that's more water coming. Whoa, guys, this is... Whoa, look at that. It's like we're driving underwater. Whoa,
I gotta
guys.
take you on it.
Whoa.
But it's nighttime.
Whoa, guys, and now we're entering the other place. That other place was cool. Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. It goes. They're like, retreat! Retreat! It's all fireworks. It's like fireworks, guys. Look at that. It's like fireworks. We got best quality up in here. This is amazing. Best. Look at that. Look at all that water. Watch, it's gonna come back. Oh my god, they're retreating again. They're retreating again. Oh my god, it's like a whole video game. They're all going swerve to the right, left to right. Oh my god. Amazing, that's all the stuff that's flowing in. Oh my god, huh? And now we're getting tire shine too. getting some shine on our tire. Look at that. We got so much. My God, guys. And that was my experience in the car wash.